Hello, how are you? Today we're going to be talking about home decor that is really uh, thoughtful and meaningful, and it has lots of beautiful colors to make you happy because I think colors bring happiness. So you can see them in here. You see here these two amazing masks, but the pictures are pretty, but I think in person they're even prettier. So I'm here to show you. Let me 1 minute. Let's start with the forgiveness mask. These masks are unique. So once they're gone, they are gone. Let me show you. Let me take it out. It's just like so precious. Like is from the Kamenza tribe. You see how beautiful it is? It is all with beads, all glued together. The base is wood, and then in the back you have the thing so that you can actually hang it from the wall. It is not too heavy, but it's not either super light. It's just normal. And this is a tribe in Colombia that they celebrate the carnival the big way. So, for example, this one is about forgiveness. They basically want to kind of like get the facial expressions, and it's a lot. It has a lot to do with this big carnival. Has a lot to do um, with the relationships within the community members, with Mother Earth, with the celestial spirits. So that's all what it's about. Is really really beautiful and unique. And this one has a little brother or sister. Let me show you. And this one is Mother Earth. Look at these beautiful colors, the smile. All these are symbols, the sun, the rays of the sun, the crops, everything has a meaning. And it's just beautiful. Imagine the two of them together in your wall. Yeah, such a colorful corner, right? Can you see? I mean, I really, really love it. It's a beautiful gift. If you have a wall, you can get them both together. I think it would look really awesome. And they're very well priced for the amount of craftsmanship and work that they have. Um, just in case that you guys are gonna ask me, this one also is part of our collection. Let me show you this amazing necklace. Okay, so this is the necklace that I'm wearing. You can see it's just fabulous and amazing. The amount of work to thread all these beads and make it into such a beautiful piece is amazing. This actually is the mask and the necklace are done not by the same people but by the same family members. So there is people that are specialists in creating this, and there's others specialized in doing these beauties. They work with beads, but everyone has a different way to express themselves. This is a family of artisans, and the surname, let me read it because it's a Hakanamijoy, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, so it's beautiful. We have other amazing pieces also from the necklace collection, the Colombian beads collection, and these two masks, which are amazing. And really, if you are maybe considering to gift something for like a housewarming party, or for friends that love traveling and like the exotic and want to have something full of meaning, this is a perfect gift for them. So send us a message, DM us. We are here to help you with your help. If you have any kind of questions, just let us know. Send you a big kiss. Bye.